Hey everyone, my name is Danielle and this is my rebranding project. Start off with Trifid Records. I decided not to move too far from the concept that they did have because I remember reading that it's important for established brands not to move too far from the current logo that they have, just make small changes. So I felt that this logo was very strong on its own. It had its own symbol and watermark. It just really needed to be cleaned up and made more modern with a sans serif font and just a cleaner symbol. Here it is in the colors. I really played with bright, fun, young colors like green and blue, but I eventually settled on purple because I felt it was regal and also a very creative color. So here's the word mark and the symbol. The font I based the word mark off of is called Aqua Grotesque. I found it on Behance. It is by Laura Pohl. And here's that purple color I used with the PMS, CMYK, RGB, and hex. And we moved on to Kids Cove. I felt that the logo they originally have didn't really represent youth and a young education center, which is what it is. So I chose a font that was thick and kind of like drawing with a marker, and then I edited it to be even less perfect than a typeface would, so it felt more like it was drawn by a marker. And you can see that there's also the symbol is a rainbow. So here it is in color. I used the primary colors because the primary colors are very much associated with primary school, young education, and childhood. Here's the watermark by itself. As I said, I wanted it to feel like it was drawn by a marker, and I think I achieved that. Here's the symbol by itself. The typeface that I based the Kids Cove watermark off of is called Fredoka 1. I found it on Google Fonts, and it's by Melina Brandeo. And here are my 3 colors. And that's my rebranding project. Hope you like it, and I'm excited to hear your critiques.